Page 2, three-dimensional figure vocabulary. A polyhedron, which just means any kind of three-dimensional polygon, is a three-dimensional figure made up of flat surfaces called faces. Each face is a polygon. So every side of a polyhedron is one form of a polygon. And then we have vertices, which are always the corners, and edges that are the lines where the faces meet. So we have faces, vertices, and edges. Okay, so whenever it's asking, so a polygon, remember in, I think it was Unit G, we determined what polygons were, and it's always some kind of straight lines that are closed. That's a polygon. But a circle is not a polygon because it's curved at some point. If I drew this, that would not be a polygon either because of the curved part of it. So when it's asking you, is this figure, is this cylinder a polyhedron, the answer is no, because this face is a circle, and a circle is not a polygon. Okay, is this a polyhedron? That is a pentagon, square, square, all of it's made up of squares and pentagons, which are polygons, which means that it is a polyhedron. This cone, the cone's base is circular, which is not a polygon, so it's not a polyhedron. Irene made a three-dimensional figure out of wood. The figure has 8 vertices, or 8 corners, 8 sharp points, and 12 edges, or 12 lines. Which figure could Irene have made? Okay, so let's look at this rectangular prism. It would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 8 corners right there, so 8 vertices, and then 12 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And it has 12 lines, or 12 edges. Okay, so yes, it is going to be the rectangular prism. But let's talk about why it's not these. This has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sharp corners, or 5 vertices. So it's not going to be that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then there's going to be 1. So this one had to have 6, so that one's not going to be it either. Kathleen made a three-dimensional figure out of clay. The figure has a round base. Which figure? This is the only one that has a round base. This is a sphere, but a sphere doesn't have a base at all, and these are not round at all. Zach made a three-dimensional figure out of clay. The figure had a round shape like a ball. If it's a ball, it's a sphere. Ozzy made a three-dimensional figure out of wood. The figure has 6 vertices, which could have been in, okay, so a cylinder does not have any vertices. A cylinder has no sharp corners, so it can't be that. A cube, there's 4 vertices right there. There's 8. Okay, so a cube has 8 vertices, and we need 6. Alright, now we're talking about a prism. Which a cube and a rectangular prism are basically the same thing. So it's not going to be that one either. This could be a rectangular prism. Triangular prism means that it has a triangle as a base, and a triangle as another base, and the vertices are connected. So 3 corners for a triangle, and then 3 more corners for another triangle to make the bases, so it'd be a triangular prism. Christine made a 3-dimensional figure out of wood. The figure has 4 triangular faces. Which could these have been? It's not a cylinder. A cube is made up of squares. And a cone. What's a cone? That would be a cone. So let's talk about this triangular pyramid. Triangular pyramid means that you have a triangle as a base, and then all of these vertices come up to a point. So that would be, let me see if I can, this would be 1 face, 2 face, the back would be 3 faces, and then the bottom would be 4 faces. So triangular pyramid.